on the part of bodies. Yung seminar, additional knowledge na binahamon na nag-agyan iba-ibang ICS from 1 to 4. But sad to say, there is so good kasi dala palita mo na baga ibaad tong ICS talaga stricto. Pero I would like to commend the speakers in spite of our the attention. At least we have learned na dada na lang ang tawag respective offices. Sabi na napakadako na gamit na sa public continuity plan formulation dahil kasi sometimes we disregard talaga, hindi tinatagad importansya. Pero at the end of the day, ma-realize na napaka-importante nga yan. It's over the class and workshop. So, I would like also to commend the other participants. And Sir Nelson, para kung tayo niya aking hatag ang workshop and training. Thank you, Sir Nelson. And to the cadres of OCD, congratulations. Your knowledge that imparted to us was unimaginable. Thank you for sharing your knowledge, your time, and effort. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
From bodies.
Thank you so much.
Ipinag-request sa Engineer Bulma, Emilio.